Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, January 8th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had a crappy day today. Uh, you know, this, we haven't had very many days like this in, 6 to 8 weeks. But when I get one of these days, all those feelings come back, and I remember the hard times we've had in the past when we just can't get any traction in anything. And that was the kind of day we had. The thing is, if we had days like this, we just stayed out of the market, that would be one thing. But, our system, it picks up buy signals, and then when none of the buy signals do anything, we can get stuck with some bad trades. That's what happened today. We had two exceptionally crappy trades, and as a result, we ended up closing out $5,000 in losing trades. We got into 6 new positions, 2 positive, 4 negative, and we're carrying negative $6,000 going into tomorrow. Now, I, I I don't want to be an apologist for my system, but keep in mind that the system made over $50,000 last week. And if I had gotten my data correct and had got that data in, so I could have been trading on Tuesday, I could just shrug this off. But you know the story. I didn't have it in, so basically, for my own account, I was paper trading on a Tuesday and Wednesday last week. Didn't get that big $50,000 move, and now we're getting this pullback from that, and it really hurts because, yeah, I'm in the red for 2018. I don't like that. And we're getting some markets that I just haven't seen in several weeks. Here's the problem. The Dow, by the way, I called the Dow down for today. Technically, was right. The Dow ended up closing down 11 points. I wish it had closed down 200 or 300 points. That would have made me happy. But what's happened is it's so far up in the sky here, and it just flattened out today. And with that type of situation, believe me, the problem is traders are they're looking for any opportunity to take profits, go short or whatever, but they don't want to buy it up here. And so, when we buy something, it just doesn't go anywhere. And we can make bundles of money. If this thing just sold off 100 points, we could probably have a day or two good days. If it sold, I would love if it could sell off 100 or 1,000 points. I wouldn't mind seeing a flash crash right now. This thing is really up in the air, and I don't like it. I don't like trading up here. But, I follow the system because you never know what's going to happen. So, yeah, I'm not happy about this. It's got a bad feel to it. Anyway, I will show you. I don't have any good trades to show you, so I'll show you the trades that we got screwed on today. This first one is Overstock. Been a real good stock for us. We've had a lot of good trades in Overstock, but what happened on Friday, we bought it here. It closed slightly against us. It opened pretty much unchanged this morning. It actually went positive for a while, and then when it was time for us to get out, look at this. We ended up selling almost a low tick of the day, and then once it stopped us out, it takes off. Worst kind of scenario, that cost us $4,000. That was not good. And then this is a new stock, NXTD, which is NXTID Incorporated. I'm clueless as to what they do. It doesn't make any difference. I don't trade fundamentals anyway. But we don't trade the opening range to avoid this kind of situation we got in today. The problem is this kind of situation wasn't during the opening range, so this thing runs up wildly here, and we end up buying almost the top of the spike, and then immediately falls back. So we're holding negative about $5,700 in that stock. Not good, not good, folks. So we had those two trades, and that's what really stuck it to us today. Now, as I say, basically we had a $10,000 baddie today, and that's not too bad if you consider that the system had a $50,000 day last week. But as I say, we weren't in it, so this hurts. I'm not happy with this. I want to see this market sell off. We just want it to sell off a little. Anyway, that's the way it is. Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.